Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investor, our target is to save, create wealth, and earn. Do not lose your hard earned money in gambling. If you are interested to get more recommendations, then click on subscribe and bell icon. Do your research before investing in any stock. Also, let us know your insight in comment. Today we are going to discuss on angel broking. In stock market, this is known as Angel One. Why we are discussing this stock today? There is three reasons. First, fundamental strength. Second, technical chart, and third is a news. So let's go through it. So Angel Broking, this is their annual report I am showing. The performance here you can see 12,990 million total income for year 2020-21. Profit after tax is 2,981 million. Earning per share is 38.8. Mm, Return on an equity is 34.6%. 12.9 rupee dividend per share. 10.3 million mobile applications downloads. It is the number one stockbroking house in authorized person registered with NSE. Fourth largest stockbroking house in NSE active clients, third largest incremental NSE active client base, 4.1 million operational broking accounts. The vision of this is to become the most preferred full stack fintech platform for digital natives in India. And motto is to develop an integrated ecosystem incubating innovation to deliver exceptional products and service to our clients. I'm not going through all his journey for calendar years. I'm just showing you the highlights. 2011, it launched Angel Broking mobile application, and from there it came into focus. And then in 2018, launched Angel B mobile app as a one-stop digital platform for cross-sell. Then this is the one 2020. Its IPO came out, successful listing on stock exchange, created 3 million unique demat accounts. After that, 2021 crossed 4 million unique demat accounts, achieved 17.6% market share in incremental demat accounts from Jan to March 2021. Fourth largest broking company in terms of NSE active clients as on March 21. Jan to March is showing 20.8%, crossed 4.0 trillion mark in ADTO in Feb 2021, achieved peak of 5 million trades. This is how the 2022 is the beginning, so it is not showing the latest. There will be more additions to that. And here, this is the graph you can see from year to year, it is going up in all of them. The graphs I will, this is the 5-year CAGR is at 73.3%. From 2016-17 330, it is at a high of around 2,981 in 2020-21. For these details I will go here. This is the one. It's an banking and brokerage house, small cap. It's a small cap company with a market cap of 10,853 crores. Stock is ranked 317, and it's a volatile stock with a 4.05 times as volatile as Nifty. So this is the one. P ratio is 36.56 at current. Dividend yield is 0.97%. Whereas it is the P ratio is more than the stock sector P, because this is a good company and it's among its peers, better among its peers. And 100% of the analysts are suggested investors can buy this stock. Now the intrinsic value, current value price is less than the intrinsic value. Return on investment versus fixed FD, stock has been generating better return on equity than bank FD. I will show you that later on. And this is the one. The revenue and profit here you can see it has grown year to year. So in 2021 it's much higher than 2020, 19 and all. It's plus 30 and 1.30. Total promoter holding remained almost same in last 6 months. Mutual fund holding also remained same in last 3 months. It's a low pledged promoter holding. Pledged promoter holding is insignificant. So these are the things on a high level. Now next come to the financials. But okay, So this is the financial part of this company. The overall, the over the last 5 year revenue has grown at a yearly rate of 22.96% versus industry average of 4.86%. Over the last 5 years, market share increased from 2.49% to 5.52%, higher than industry net income. Over the last 5 years, net income has grown at a yearly rate of 56.39% versus industry average of 16.37%. The total revenue here you can see, and 18 it was 784, to year it went high. 2020 I'm ignoring because COVID was there, and in 21 it's 1298. The PBIT, PBT all have shown similar pattern of improvements. Earning per share it's currently 13.60. Peers you can see, it's higher. The P ratio is the highest among its peers, but it is also the best company among its peers. The ICICI Securities, IAFL Finance Limited, Dhani Service, these are the few companies among its peers. Okay, now next, come to this chart. So this is the chart. The IPO got launched in around 2020 October. At that time, it was 272, and now it went to a high of around 1684. So this shows that almost 8 times. So if you have invested in its IPO, since then it went 8 times. So 10,000 rupees have become 80,000 in a year and a half, one less than 1.5 years. So this is the strength of this company. It turned out to be a really multi-bagger company, and it has potential to grow further highs. So that's why I picked these stocks. I am holding this stock from this level. When when it, uh, this this a price I and couldn't catch because it was too going fast and I was not able to invest in this uprise. But when it took a correction and it went started moving up, I first invested in this stock at this level, around 965, 970. This level I bought when it crossed this one in these days. And then again I invested in this stock a few days back when it was breaking this level. I first invested, next was around 13,800 to 1400. This level I bought. There was the reason why I bought this stock at this level was because if you see from this is called a W pattern. Here if you see, it made a correction, it went high, and it again made a correction and took a support at the same level, this level 100 1018. This level it took a support, and then again it started went high. So I invested in this level when it was going to break that W pattern. I invested in this stock at this level, but again, uh, this was the level I bought. This maybe, and then again it went high within few couple of days. But due to this, but then came that market crisis of that war tension between Russia and Ukraine, and that's why the entire global market came down. Nifty also came down. This all, so that had an impact on this stock. Otherwise I was expecting these stocks to be much higher by now, around 1600 or 1700. But we don't have any control over this overall market. We didn't know at that time that this crisis would come. So that's why I invested at the time. But never mind, I have not sold anything and I don't have any panic also. And I would request, if you have already invested in this stock, don't panic. You can easily hold this stock for longer times. And also, if you have not bought this stock earlier, you can invest in this stock at this moment. Think about it. Why? Because Here you can see after it took a support at this level 1194, this level, and it's again started moving up, and the war tension has also overcome. The fleets have started returning back, and Nifty is also showing a support. So at this level you can think about. So this is the level you can think about. And the next come to the this news. Sorry, buy angel one target of rupees 1900 by Motilal Oswal. So Motilal Oswal has given a target of rupees 1900 as recommended buy rating on this stock. So it's quite achievable. So in if you see here, this news came around 7 or 10th Feb, but I didn't invest it at that time because the market was there was a tension in that global market, so that's why I didn't invest it at that time. Now I'm thinking about investing again. So yes, so we find the stock valuation attractive at FY24 EP of 13.0x. We maintain our buy rating with a 1 year target price of rupees 1900, implying 42% potential upside from current level. So yes, if you invest today, then it's around 50%, from 1300 to near about 50%, 50. I'm saying maybe 45 or something like that. You can calculate it and easily find out. So it's a it is showing it can turn out to be a multi-bagger again. So I am also buying today. This is the third installment I'm buying, investing in this stock, and I'm holding for a target of at least 1900. Thank you.